It's Tuesday morning and I just got done collating all your goodies, your brass goodies and such for our albums. But I sort of have bad news. The paper, I finally got a notice when the paper's coming in, and it's not coming in till Friday. And because we have extra students, I only had enough magnets for 6 people, and so the magnets are coming in tomorrow. Therefore, let's see, let me show you my floor. All these goodies are still waiting for more goodies. So I think what we'll do is I will make deliveries next week, not this week. If you want this much goodies ahead of time, and you feel like coming in for sales, I can put them on my porch for you. But I can deliver everything next week, maybe even this weekend, if the order does come in Friday afternoon as it says it will. So on Thursday, we will still have Zoom class. It will be at 10 a.m. and we will go over our first lesson on how to make our sweet little binders. I found a bonus binder to make too, and then our little flip album. We'll be learning how to put these together on Thursday, and even though you don't have them, there'll be a video that you can refer to after we talk, so you can work on that even before next Thursday and have it all ready for the next step. So no deliveries to your home. If you're very anxious and you want to get what I have in the pile for you so far, then you can drop over and I can put it on my porch for you. But I look forward to Thursday when we'll get together on Zoom, and I will send you a reminder email with the Zoom connection for 10 o'clock. And remember, if you're not in the mood to start from scratch and make your albums, we do have a prefab album, and you can just sign on at 11:30 if you want at the second Zoom number, if you don't want to go through the whole procedure of learning how to make your own albums. So have a great day. God bless.